And today we are going to do an interesting activity that's nothing but paper wall hanging activity. Are you all ready with your material, children? Are you all ready? Okay, let's start today's activity. Here I have taken cardboard piece, some thread, colored papers, scissors, and some beads. Okay. And first step, here I am going to paint this cardboard. Slowly you have to paint it. If you don't have cardboard, you can use chart paper also. Slowly paint it. Are you all able to see this, children? Like this, you have to paint. Okay. The inside also you have to paint this area. This here I finished. Children, are you all with me? Are you all following the instructions? Let it dry for some time. Yes, very good, Andrea. Good. Slowly you have to paint. Both the sides you have to paint, okay? Front and back. If you don't have black paint, you can use black paper to stick, okay? And next step, take your colored paper. Here I'm going to use dark blue, light blue and white papers, okay? Whatever colors are available with you, you can use that color. Yes. First step, fold this paper into two like this. Even you can fold it into four also, because for this activity we are in need of circles, okay? Here I'm going to trace small circle. Children, from next week onwards, you have to get ready with your material. Okay? Then only you can learn something. See here, like this, you have to trace the circle. And then here I am going to cut it. Slowly you have to cut.
Ma'am, color
Yes,
sheeted.
kindly
Ma'am,
mute your mic, children. Yes, Andrea. What's your doubt?
ma'am, what color sheet I will take, ma'am?
Whatever colors are available with you, you can use that paper.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
If you don't have color paper also, no problem. You can use plain white paper. See here, children. Like this, you have to cut and take. Okay? Okay, one color over. And next, I'm going to take white paper. Like this, 3 colors you have to cut. Okay? Here I'm going to trace circle. Cut it neatly, children. Slowly you have to cut. Okay. Here I'm having 4 white circles. And now listen carefully. Take your circles, fold it into 2, and then you have to cut it. After folding, you can find center line, no? Here you have to cut. And make 2 semicircles. Okay? Like this, you have to cut and keep. All the circles you have to cut like this, children. Cut it nicely. Yes. And dear children, listen carefully. Now what we have to do, very good Keshwa, let it dry for some time, keep it aside. Take this semicircle. Here I am going to make cone, okay? See here? Like this you have to make, children. Are you all with me? Listen to the class now. See here. Listen to the video. How you have to make the cone. First you have to cut the semicircle. Next you have to gently fold it and make cone like this. Okay. Here apply glue. Yes. And then again, you have to make it like this. Like this, 7 cones you have to make, children. Okay, each color you have to make 7 cones. Don't press this cone, gently you have to fold it. Here 7 cones already. Okay, very good, Keshwa. Good. And next here I am going to make white cones. Same procedure. You have to fold it into two and cut semicircles. Cut it neatly. And then here I am going to make cones. Two, three. children, if any doubt, you can ask me through chat. Okay. This is paper wall hanging, Harid. We have finished making these cones. Okay. Slowly you can do, children. You observe first, then slowly you can do this activity. Your three colors are ready. Okay. And then listen. Take one long thread. Then you have to needle it. With the help of needle, you have to fix these cones like this. See here. Okay. Okay, put one knot. Are you all able to see this? We can cut this excess thread. First white, and then leave some space. Then you have to stick light blue. See here. Okay. And then dark blue. Adjust the gap. And finally here I am going to needle the small white bead. Okay. This is how you have to make. Here I am going to take next thread. Like this, you have to make 7 hangings. Okay. Again, the same procedure. First white cone. Put one knot here. And then light blue. and then here dark blue. Finally, one bead. Like this, you have to make 7 strings, children. Okay, finally you have to assemble it. Slowly do this activity. Here I have made 3 strings like this. Children, are you all able to see this? Okay. And next step, listen carefully, children. Here I am going to teach you how to cut the flower. Okay. Like this you have to make. Later you can make it and fix it in the cardboard, right? Because it will take some time to finish it. So here I am going to teach you how to cut beautiful paper flower. First take square paper. Okay. And then you have to fold it like this. See here, this is the first folding, this is the second folding, and again you have to fold, and then from right side you have to give one small fold. Finally you can get this shape, right? Like cone shape. After this you have to cut this excess part, open it. Now like curve you have to cut one deep cut like this. Yes, our beautiful flower is ready. Are you all able to see this now? Okay, like this you have to make only 3 flowers, 3 different colored flowers. Okay, so this one blue flower is ready. Like this, you have to cut 3 flowers. After that, take small scale. You just give one press like this, each petal. Then you can get this effect. Okay, once again, I repeat this. Take perfect square paper. This is perfect square paper, no? Then fold it like this. Again, one more folding. Afzal, listen carefully, Afzal. And third folding. Okay, now you can get this shape. What you have to do, from the right side, you just fold. You just give small fold. Sairam, stop sharing. Okay, then cut it. Here you can see now this excess part now. This part you have to cut and take. Then open it. You can find center line now here. Towards this line, just give one small cut like this. Okay, after cut this, you can get this shape. See here? Okay. Again, you have to take the ruler. Just press it like this. Now you have to stick on the cardboard. Gently apply glue and stick it like this. 1, 2, and then 3. 3 flowers together you have to stick. See here? Okay. Simple paper cutting. You can try, children. After that, at the center here, I am going to stick bead. See here? Are you all able to see this now? After sticking these flowers, you have to arrange these hangings. One, two, and 3. See here? That's it. Here you have to fix like this. The bottom of this cardboard, you have to fix these ropes. Okay. That's all, children. This is how you have to do, but it will take some time to dry. You have to fix it properly. Gently apply glue. Don't apply too much of glue, then it will smudge. This paint will smudge, no? So carefully you have to do, children. Here you have to stick and cut the excess part of the thread. The flower cutting alone you have to concentrate. Nicely you have to cut and stick beads. Okay. Yes, children, slowly you can do this activity. Next week you can show it to me. Okay. Next week surely I will see all your activities. So slowly you can finish it and next week you can show it to me. Any doubts, children, regarding cutting and pasting? If you don't have cardboard, even you can use cooker gasket, no? That also you can use. Okay. Any doubts? Very good, Muhammad. Very good. As children, I hope you all have enjoyed this activity today. And next week we will meet with another interesting activity. Till then, take care. Bye, everyone. Thank you all.